वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ का कहना है कि गजा के अवाम के लिए आज तारीखी दिन है। आज अहम दिन से अनथक मेहनत के बाद गजा में अमन में कामयाब हुए। शर्मुल शेख में खिताब करते हुए उन्होंने सदर ट्रंप को अमन का अलमबरदार करार देते हुए दोबारा नोबेल पीस प्राइज के लिए नामजद कर दिया।
Today is one of the greatest day in contemporary history because peace has been achieved after untiring efforts led by President Trump, who is genuinely a man of peace, who has relentlessly and untiringly worked throughout these months. I would say that Pakistan had nominated President Donald Trump for Nobel Peace Prize for his outstanding, extraordinary contributions to first stop war between India and Pakistan and then achieve ceasefire along with his very wonderful team. And today again I would like to nominate this great president for Nobel Peace Prize.